Hey friends, long time no see. I'm back, easing into it, but I'm back. I am very thankful for all of you guys who checked on me while I was out for my surgery. Long story short, I had surgery. Surgery technically went well, except for there was a complication with the wound, and unfortunately we had to go back in at the beginning of the year and fix the wound essentially, where they did the procedure originally. So I still have a lot of restrictions, but not as many. They're getting lifted because the doctors seem to be pleased with my progress. So that being said, I'm going to be getting back in the garden a little bit more and checking on the worms a little bit more. We've been checking on them and feeding them, of course, but I've definitely needed help from my husband and family to get them fed and really get in there, because I wasn't allowed to bend, and I'm still technically not like fully allowed to bend, but I can lean forward now. And then the big restriction for me was, besides the bending and leaning, which I wasn't allowed to do, I wasn't supposed to be picking up anything over 2 pounds, any kind of strenuous activity, anything like that, including walking the puppies. So that's been challenging, but I'm feeling a lot better, getting my energy back, and I really want to show you guys how great the worms have been doing. Especially, I mean, the garden looks great too, let's be honest. I'm really pleased with nothing died, nothing nothing of setback died while I was recovering, but the worms are doing really good, and the puppies are doing good, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff to share. And I am going to be restarting my hot frog. I'm not entirely sure in the particulars yet. Like, I want to move it from where we had it last time. If you guys saw those, it was in my kitchen, and I'm still kind of deciding where I want to I want to set it up again, but I don't think I can set it up there anymore. So I'm trying to figure out a new home for it in my house or porch or something. So that'll be coming soon as well. And yeah, a lot of garden updates to share. But I just want to say hey, and thank you everybody who wished me well. I appreciate it. Me and the puppies will be sending you updates soon. Bye, friends. We gotta say hi to friends. You guys say hi to your friends? Where's your friends? Can they see you? They can see you, but you can't see them. Okay.